Hello guys, I will show you how you can switch Instagram to the darker appearance on your iPhone. First, open your phone setting. Your mobile running ISO 13 or higher, or iPod running iPad OS 13 or higher, and scroll down and tap display and brightness. In the appearance section at the top of the page, you can see two options, light and dark. Tap dark. Then open the Instagram app, which should now appear in dark mode. Now, when in dark mode, the Instagram background is black and the text is white. For more videos about Instagram, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.